Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location on your Rednote app. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and close your Rednote app, go to your phone settings, okay? Then scroll down and look for this option that says app management or apps. Then click on your app list and find a Rednote. So first, I will disable the location permission. Okay, so let me find Rednote right here. And then what I'm going to show you is, so here, Rednote, come here, and then we need to look for the permissions right here. Click on permissions. So as you can see, location has been allowed. 1 minute ago, it accessed my location. I will click on don't allow. So for now, it cannot access my location until I allow it again. What you next need to do is go to your Google Play Store, search for Turbo VPN. This is free. Go click on install, and then wait for it to be done installing. Alright guys, there you go. The app has installed. I'm going to open this app, click on agree and continue. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, is once this is done, I'll close this. Just tap on connect. That's it. Okay, I'll allow notifications. Just tap on connect. Click on OK. And now Turbo VPN will basically find the fastest server for me. And now I should be in another location. And my location is the United States. So when I open up Rednote again, and then I go ahead and allow permissions. For example, if I go live, it's going to ask me to allow permissions again. As you can see right here. So once it asks me this, I will just allow my permission, my location. Okay. And as you can see, I have basically changed my location to the United States. Really that easy and simple, guys.